हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने फ्रेजेस और वर्ड्स करने हैं सर कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन से। और हमारी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन है नंबर 29 पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 हमने लास्ट टाइम किया था। इसमें से हम फ्रेजेस करेंगे और वर्ड्स करेंगे। पहले मैं फ्रेजेस आपको लिख के समझाऊंगा, उसके बाद मैं आपको वर्ड्स समझाऊंगा। इनकी प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस करिए, उसके बाद आप लिखना चाहें तो लिखिए, जिस मर्जी स्पीड पर लिखना चाहें ट्राई कीजिए लिखने का। जब आप वर्ड्स फ्रेजेस लिख लेते हैं तो आपको आसान हो जाता है लिखना। और जो भी इनिशियली थ्योरी के बाद लिख रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल है ये प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। और इसके बाद वो अनसीन आस्ता आस्ता शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो आउटलाइंस जो मैं आपको बताता हूँ इसमें कई जगह मैं अपनी सजेशन भी देता हूँ आपको। अगर आप इफ़ यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग सम गुड आउटलाइंस, या आप किसी और आउटलाइंस को यूज टू हैं, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको यही आउटलाइंस करनी है। अगर आप उन आउटलाइंस को अच्छी तरह पहचान सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं। हमारा पर्पस ये होता है अल्टीमेटली कि हमें जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करनी है उसमें अच्छी से अच्छी एक्यूरेसी आए। और उसमें अगर आपकी अपनी आउटलाइन है कोई आपको जो अच्छी लगती है, या आपने कुछ खुद बना रखी हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इट्स नॉट ऑब्लिगेटरी कि आपको यही आउटलाइंस ही लिखनी है, ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक है, वहाँ पर एग्ज़ाम में स्किल में उनको ये पर्पज़ है कि उनको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन जो चाहिए वो एक्यूरेट चाहिए। आउटलाइन आपने कुछ भी लिखी हुई है अगर, तो उससे उनको ज़्यादा कंसर्न नहीं होता। दे जस्ट गेट इट फॉर रिकॉर्ड कि आपने लिखा है। तो इन चीज़ों को जैसे मैं बताता हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा फॉलो करते रहिए, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। और अब मैं शुरू करता हूँ वीडियो। थैंक यू। Okay students, let us start doing transcription number 29 part 2. We have done part 1 in the earlier video. Okay, I'll start with the phrases. First phrase is in this connection. In this connection you will find like this in the magazine. I give you an alternative in this connection, because I think this is easier than this, so you can adopt any one of these. Next is it will be. It's very easy. It will be. Then it is Honorable Railway Minister. Honorable we write like this. Honorable NRBL. Okay, NRBL, Honorable Railway Minister. In fact, railway is like this. Okay, this is Railway Minister. We write like RSTR, and we have to put this double tick also, because it is a proper noun position also. Railway Minister, you can write like this, or you can write like Railway Minister, as you like. Next is higher secondary. Higher, this is high, this is higher. Secondary, higher secondary. Next is high schools. This is high, this is schools. Next is Indian Railways. Indian, we write like this, Indian Railways, and then double tick also, because I will be capital, Railways will be, R will be capital. Indian Railways. Okay. Next is report of the. This is report of the. Report of the. Next, you will find. Because when we say you will, it has to be find. Found नहीं होगा. फ्यूचर के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगती है. You will find. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज आउट ऑफ विच. हम आउट ऑफ कैसे लिखते हैं? दिस इज आउट ऑफ विच. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज saying कैसे? दिस इज लाइक saying that they have been. Okay. Next is all along. Along we write like this. This is along. Okay. All along. And therefore the. Next is I would like. This is I would like. Confederation. Okay. Next is federation. Federation can be written like this. Federation or federation. Out of this, anything you can preferably write like this. Next is railwaymen. You can put rail for this. Railwaymen may or may not be capital, but for recognition purposes you can write like this, railwayman, so that you can read R as railwayman. Okay, next phrase is in the ear. This is in the ear. Be careful. For the ear. In the ear will be like this. According to which. This is according to. This is according to the. This is according to which. Railway employees. Next is I told you. उसके बाद है many things. This is many things. One option. Another option is many things. ये इंग्स के लिए हम ये लगाते हैं, ये आपने देखा होगा. Many things. Other things. This is other things. If you have few things, you can write few things. So this is for many things. You can write like this or like this. उसके बाद है on the floor of this house. On the floor of this house. On the floor of this house. Okay. Floor का सिर्फ हम लेंगे F. On the F this house. So it will be on the floor of this house. H will be capital. Next is 1 or 2. This is 1, 2. Okay. This will be 1 or 2. अब one of the आता है तो one of the. This is one of the. Next is deal with the. Okay. Next is labor relations. This is labor labor relations. We have omitted R of relations. This will be labor relations. Next is there is no doubt. There is no doubt. I would say. I would say. Simple. उसके बाद है in this house. In this house, like this, or in this house. But put these parallel ticks. In this house, H will be capital. Next is this is not the. This is not the. Next is so far as the. So far as the. Okay, next phrase is zonal railways. This is zonal railways. I do not say. I do not say. What is the? This is what is the. To the extent. To the extent. Next is if there is. You will find if there is like this in the magazine. अगर आप चाहें तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं if there is. Both are correct. This is much better for people who are in the beginning. Next is difference of opinion. This is different or difference. Difference of opinion. Okay. Another option I'm giving you, which is better, is difference of opinion. Then comes differences of opinion. So this will be differences of opinion. Next is as and when. As and when. Okay. As and when. Then next is ad hoc. Ad hoc. I am writing it here, ad hoc. This is ad above the line, ad hoc. H will come down, ad hoc. Okay, now let us see the words also. Honorable, I have told you earlier, undertook. This is undertook. And if it is undertake, then you have to do like this. Undertake, undertook. Children. Children is written like this also. This is the full proper outline, but you can write like this also. Children. This is the alternative because it's easy to write. Flow इससे अच्छा हो जाता है. Children. Next is conclude. This is care half. Conclude. This is conclude. Next is slightly. This is slightly. Okay. तो हमने ऐसे लिखना है slightly. आई बाद में लगाते हैं, वॉवल बाद में लगाया जाता है, पहले आउटलाइन लिखी जाती है. Slightly. Negotiating. Okay. Negotiating. Then comes completely. This is completely. Next word after completely is functioning. 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 इसमें के omit किया हुआ है. Functioning. Then comes frankly. FRNCLY. Accepting. इन डॉट प्रॉपर लगाइए ताकि पढ़ा जा सके. नेक्स्ट इज arbitration. This is short contraction से ही. Arbitration. Then it is machinery. Machine होगा तो machine will be clear. In machinery it's not possible, so MSH, machinery. Okay, N will be omitted here. Machinery. Last word is tribunal. Okay, that's all. Thank you.